Checking out some single track around the close to the creek, and we just had some flooding, so as you can see the creek is going down a little bit, but it was all up through here. Looks like I have to come in here and do some clearing, just cleaning up the stuff that's fallen, like this tree here, this little tree, just to make it more accessible. But yeah, the soil in here is it's pretty sandy. It's kind of amazing that the floodwaters brought in all this sand. It's a little bit peaceful in here, but you can still hear the buzzing of the highways and so forth. So this area here, typically there's a single track here, but I think it's all underwater. So I'm gonna go this way just to, yep, it's all flooded here. Yep. Go over this log. And you got all these crazy roots here. Real slippery roots. It's almost like you need a fat bike with dual suspension. And they're in all sorts of angles, so if you try to ride those when it's wet, there's a good chance you're gonna lose control and crack an elbow or something. Back on the little track here. Another downed tree. So yeah, it's not easy riding here, but I still think it's good exercise, and it's away from cars. It's kind of like you hike, you so I'm on this this is my Gunner Ruffian 29er single speed. It's got the Luxy drop bars that are no longer made, and I regret not buying at least 4 sets of them, because nobody else makes them. Somebody should. Let's see, well, there's finally some colors. This year's color situation with the trees has been very poor because we had a very hot August and September, and yeah, as I said before, the colors are just, they're going from green to brown and dropping leaves. So Out in Vermont, my friend was telling me that the trees are the same way over there. So, and a lot of those people, they depend on that for tourism and so forth. But too much heat, I guess. There's a Salt Creek over there. You can see some big houses. So yeah, a little exploring, a little walking, a little riding. Hey, just to clear the head in the morning. Cup of coffee and some breakfast. A little ride before work. And it's gonna turn out to be a good day. So thank you for watching. And get out and explore your neighborhood. It's pretty interesting. Thank you.